Hey guys, welcome to a Fifi's favorite video. So I have found to date my favorite apple combination. So I absolutely had to come on here and share it. And so it starts off in the shower with Champagne Apple and Honey by Bath and Body Works. So this is a scent that they come out with every year since they first launched it. And so if it's not out right now, it's pretty easy to find. And what they say it smells like is sipping bubbly drinks in the apple orchard. And the notes are crisp apple, sparkling champagne, jasmine honey, and autumn woods. So I do my hydrating routine, finish off my last kind of wash with that. And as you can see, it's pretty empty. I do have two other ones because I like it that much. And then when I get out of the shower, I actually made a fragrance oil of champagne, apple, and honey that when I'm still damp, I put that on and then pat dry. And then I put on our ambrosia body butter, and that has honeysuckle, patchouli, apple, mango, vetiver, and sandalwood. And then I go in with Victoria's Secret's Temptation. Now this is a body mist that they don't sell anymore, but I have found it very easily for a reasonable price on Amazon, and I've also found it on Mercari for a reasonable price. Don't overpay for this, but it's very good. And the fragrance notes for that are apple, floral notes, and cactus flower. And so then after that, I top that off with Kayali's Eat and Juicy Apple. And the fragrance notes for that, the top notes are apple, lychee, black currant, pink grapefruit. The middle notes are wild berries, raspberry bloom, jasmine, May rose. And the base notes are sugar, musk, vanilla flower, moss, and amber. And so that combination right there is what I wear predominantly during the day. And then as I'm transitioning to the nighttime, I top it off with All Rehab Love Apple. And so the oil that you see here, you can get that reasonably, very easy, Amazon, other online retailers for less than $10. They also have a perfume version of it, but I decided to make my own. I will link my DIY on how to make your own perfume. So as I'm transitioning to the evening, I'll either, if I'm home, I'll do the perfume that I made. And then if I'm not, or I know I'm not going to be, I take the oil with me. And so the notes for that are green apple, vanilla, cinnamon, and musk. And when I tell you, if you like apple, this is the combination that's gonna hit. If you don't like apple, you're not gonna like this, because this is a sweet, floral, sexy, juicy apple. And it just smells so good on me. I love it. I love apple, so this combination hit. I try to center the day with a little bit of a different combination. I've just been playing around, but this has been the one that I've fallen in love with. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you try this, if you love apple, if you've tried other apple fragrance mist or perfumes. Definitely let me know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to learn about how to make your own perfume, you can go to the link below on the DIY that I did. And that's it for this one. See you guys at the next one. Bye.